Hello kids, today I want to introduce you 10 algebraic identities which are very important. You should practice them a lot and after practice only you can able to remember them, and it's very important. Their application is there in polynomials. So the 10 important algebraic identities are: the first one is a plus b the whole square is equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square. Second one is a minus b the whole square is equal to a square minus 2ab plus b square. Third, a square minus b square is equal to a plus b into a minus b. Fourth is x plus a into x plus b is equal to x square plus a plus b into x plus ab. Fifth is a plus b the whole cube is equal to a cube plus b cube plus 3ab in bracket a plus b. You can write this identity in one more way. A plus b the whole cube is equal to a cube plus b cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab square. So I did nothing, just open up the bracket. Okay, I just open up this bracket. And sixth, a minus b the whole cube is equal to a cube minus b cube minus 3ab into a minus b. Again, this also you can write in one another way, that is a minus b the whole cube is equal to a cube minus b cube minus 3a square b. Minus into minus, when you are opening up this bracket, be careful. Minus into minus is plus 3ab, b into b is b square. Okay. Seventh identity is a cube plus b cube, which is a plus b in bracket, next bracket, a square minus ab plus b square. So you can read it that a cube plus b cube is equal to a plus b into a square minus ab plus b square. Eighth identity, a cube minus b cube as a minus b into a square plus ab plus b square. 9. A plus b plus c the whole square is equal to a square plus b square plus c square plus 2ab plus 2bc plus 2ce. And then the 10th one, a cube plus b cube plus c cube minus 3abc is equal to a plus b plus c into a square plus b square plus c square minus ab minus bc minus ce. Okay, this last identity is very much important, and it may ask you in some other way also. Like I know one question they are asking, that you have to find the answer for this question, like 12 cube plus minus 7 cube plus minus 5 cube without actually finding the cubes of these individual integers. What you have to do is, you have to check what is, if you are assuming a as 12, b as 7 and c as minus 5, then you have to find the sum of all these three constants here, that is a, b and c. So what you have to find is a plus b plus c, that is 12 plus minus 7 plus minus 5. As you know, plus into minus minus, plus into minus minus, minus minus, it's what you have to add up and give minus sign. So that is minus 12, and 12 minus 12 is 0. So whenever you are getting a plus b plus c 0, that time once again you watch out this identity. If a plus b plus c is 0, then 0 multiplied by any number is 0 only. So for that, a cube plus b cube plus c cube will be equal to 3abc. So here, since you are getting a plus b plus c as 0, you have to remember that a cube plus b cube plus c cube minus 3abc is equal to a plus b plus c into this bracket. But here the a plus b plus c value itself is 0. For that, see, if a plus b plus c is 0, then, okay, I should not write if here, I have to write then here. Okay, if I have to write here. Okay, so if a plus b plus c is equal to 0, then a cube plus b cube plus c cube is nothing but equal to 3abc. So for such questions, it is very easy to find the answer, because you don't have to practically obtain the cube of 12 minus 7 and 5. Instead, what you have to do is, you have to directly do 3 into 12 into minus 7 into minus 5. So 12 3s are 36, minus into minus plus 7 5s are 35. Then you have to write the answer what you are getting by multiplying 36 with 35. So in rough, you can multiply 36 into 35 and you can find the answer. Okay, so the answer is 1260. Okay, so these are the 10 algebraical identities.